person and the name, and I'm cool, and there is no image here and no image for the person. The reason behind that things, because you remember we saved on URL for the image in the database. So you need to have a way to display image from URL inside this one. So if you see this method, when we call it load tweet, it was loading a tweet. So this method, when we just go, just copy it and just click go to it, load a tweet. When I pass from 0, he just takes start and the operation name. If it starts from 0, he will add loading for first party in this way. So just loading, and by the end I pass the operation. If you see, care about this part for 3, then I execute the asynchronous task to display data for me. Don't care. I just imagine you just define display loading, then you call load tweet for that 20. So just clear it, display add ticket to show him add, then I will remove the load, because always, why I remove this one, because I always adding loading ticket in the end. The tweets will be as info as we showed in the previous, and I will take all the tweet in the array and add them here in my array, then notify database. So when notify database, the tweet will be displayed here. Otherwise, if there is no tweet, I will display hey, there is no tweet. So first of all, if the start 0, because if he already doesn't see any tweet, he is not subscribed to anyone, I will display to him I will clear it and I will show him add, then I will display under it there is no tweet. If you see, no tweet. Otherwise, if he have already like he after 20, like he just loaded 20, then he moved after 20 element, he say hey, no more tweet. Also I will call this one and this one for load and more. Let me save for subscribe next. So now I understand how to load first 20 by calling just normal use operation. By the way, I want to do same thing for when the app start for first time. So if you see now, when app start for first time, I don't have anything to show up. But if you see, this is my task and load a tweet. I'm not looking for load a tweet. I'm looking for this one. Let's just wait a second. I just minimize this part. This one, when he select home, I want him when select home display first 20. So I say load tweet first 20, the operation type my following. That means only the people who I follow display tweet for him. Also, when the upload for first time, I want to display my following on a create method, and I no longer need this one because he already will be added. So yes, what mean my following? If you click on my following, it means number 1. That means I'm passing number 1 and 0. That means hey tweet, my operation is number 1, and I want the element from 0 to 20. So he will already say hey, I will pass here the username Hussein, need his element from 0 to 20. Now if I run it, I would see here is the element. If I click add this, cool. Do you know what the problem? I did not activate the I did not change the URL to, I did not change this image to using Picasso. So now I want to use Picasso. So if you see, I have already Picasso. This is the Picasso website. Make sure secure.github.io Picasso. It's really easy to use it. Just say Picasso with the context name, load the URL inside any image view, and he will load the image. But first of all, you need to add this line inside your Gradle. So just copy it, go back, and here you go. Just go to the Gradle, and here add it inside your app Gradle, and make your synchronous. When you're done, just go back to your app. Now what we have, we need to go, let me just increase this one, and I want to see my adapter for loading normal text. So this is for add ticket, this for loading no tweet, this is for normal tweet. So just get tweet item, I say hey, get username, display first name in it. So I want to display first name here. I don't have any problem first name. I want an image also. I want to do something. So let me check what is I'm doing with the image. See, I have here to do with Picasso. So user image, I just enable Picasso line, and this one enable. So just Picasso, just O, just so he could import it. So what I did, just access to user picture, and I load picture with context, load s.tweet picture. We already in the tweet picture we have the person picture. So and we loaded in the person image, and we have in the picture path we loaded in the picture. So this information already passed from the server when we call it for loading data. So I hope, yes, here you go, this is the picture and here is the picture for data. So now you understand how we could add tweet. Go. I hope. Now if I just click here, just load image, save, see here is it, this is to post person image. So you may have some confusing in these lines, but it's not too much. The tweet, display tweet, and you know what tweet we have. We display here image the person and name. You see here we display the name, and here we display the tweet text. What the text that's mean, this text, and the image for the user image, picture image, this one accessing to the image to display the image here, and this one for display the image inside this one. So picture path, as I told you, this picture path with picture, all of this we already passed from the server when we did a asynchronous task, that job to do this operation for us. So now you understand all this part. Let me go next and see what we still missing.